What's up, window cleaners? I'm going to end this video with a trick of the trade. Now, if you have a quadruple steel wool in your work vehicle, this can come in handy. We're not all perfect, you know, we can leave marks or squeegee lines on our glass. So if you use a quadruple steel wool to rub out any kind of mark or squeegee line, that'll work real easy for you. You always want to be careful too, you know, if you're going to be the interior, always check to see if there's any kind of window film or window tint. You don't want to use a quadruple steel wool on window film or window tint because it will scratch it. Okay, so you don't want to use a rag because, you know, if you use a towel or a rag, it might leave a mark there. So with the quadruple steel wool, that'll take care of it. It won't leave a mark or anything like that on the glass. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to know about it and take it easy.